When you create your event, the time zone will automatically default to whatever you chose when you created your box office. You can also update your time zone at the event level when you're creating the event. Click on the Events tab in the top menu. Click on the relevant event and then select Edit Event and Tickets from the left-hand side under Settings. Under Event Info, there's a drop-down to choose which time zone you want to display on your event page, located to the right of the Dates section. If you want the time zone to show on your event page, head to Settings in the top menu and then Basic Settings. Click on the drop-down for Show Time Zone. You can choose from a few options: All Events, Online Events Only, or No Events. Opting to show your time zone is particularly recommended for online events where you may have guests joining from multiple time zones.